To use the weather API, you'll reference the documentation, make a GET request to the base URL, then you can add /current.json to get the current weather, or /forecast.json to get forecasted weather. Then you can add request parameters to the URL to further specify the data you want. Query, you can add things like a city name or a zip code to get weather for a specific area. You can console.log the response to see what we're working with, and then log the data. Figure out what we want to parse and render. If it's multiple items, like a 5-day forecast, we'll find the array and set the state to that array. To render the data, we'll check for that array, then loop through the array, and for each day, we'll show the date, which we'll have to format a bit. Classic dates in JavaScript. Shout out to Google for help with that. We can also render the high and low temperature. It'll have a decimal by default, so we can add math.round, which will round the integer to the nearest whole number. Stack Overflow for the win!